Welcome to the Tired AF Yoga Series. If you're feeling exhausted right now, you are so not alone and you are most definitely in the right place. All month long, I'm releasing simple 10 to 15 minute yoga practices to help you release the tension in your body, reset your nervous system, and remind your body what it's like to relax. So if you are ready, silence your notifications, give yourself 15 minutes to really relax. Put a calming oil into your diffuser, and let's do this together. In this video, we're going to do a really simple seated practice. It'll help get into your hips a little bit, and it's going to help ground you. So if you're ready, let's relax. So for today's practice, you want something firm to sit on. When you lift your hips up a little bit for these seated poses, it just helps alleviate tension in the back, which is a good thing. We're going to begin in simple cross-legged, so crossing your legs and getting up tall on your sit bones. So that's one of the things we really want to think about when we are in seated poses. We all have a tendency to either rock forward off of our sit bones, which creates an arched back, or sink back behind our sit bones, which creates this rounded back. And I'm guessing you know which one you are. So if you are a front pelvis tilter, then slowly rock back. And if you're normally here, rock up. When you can get your pelvis level, so you're right in the middle of the sit bones, which are the bones at the base of your pelvis, then your spine can curve the way it's supposed to, right? It's not over-arched or over-rounded. So find that spot and feel like you're balancing right over the sit bones, letting your back relax. Feel your breath in your belly. And then bring your arms forward and up and overhead. You're going to lift your heart arc up. And then twist to your right. Draw your belly in, lift tall. Bring your arms back through the middle, swing those arms up and overhead, and then go over to the other side. And then bring the arms up and overhead again, and we're going to go side to side 2 more times, twisting, getting into our spine. Keep breathing as you go. Last time. And then come through the center, bring your arms up and overhead and bring your palms down through the center and just take a breath. Change the cross of your legs. So we're going to do the other side. Get up tall on your sit bones again. Find that spot. I like to call it the sweet spot, right? Where you can relax your back a little bit more and feel nice and open across the heart. Letting your back relax. And then bring the arms up and overhead again. You're going to lift the heart, arc up. And now we're going to go side to side in a lateral stretch. So bring your right hand down, reach that left arm up, take it over. Come back up, sweep your right arm up and take it over to the other side. Reach and take it over. And then again, come on up, sweep the arm up. We're going to do 3 times to each side again. Reach and take it over. And come back up. Other side. And one more time to each side. Right arm down, left arm up. Reach and take it over. Come back up. And last round. Reach and take it over. And again, you're going to sweep both arms up and then bring the palms together down the front of your body. All right, take your feet apart. Upavishta Konasana. And again, you want to find that spot on your sit bones here too. Anytime we do seated poses, we want to find that spot. And if you struggle because of tight muscles, you can bring your legs closer together. You can bend them. Do whatever it is you need to do to feel comfortable, to find that quiet place where your back can relax. And again, we're going to drop the breath into the belly. Relax your back. All right, bend the knees a little bit, even if they weren't. And you're going to hold on to the knees and you're going to rock around your sit bones. This is very grounding. We're going to talk grounding a little bit more in a different video. But this helps get us out of our heads, change direction. We all get stuck in our heads during the day, right? You're just thinking all the time. This helps get us out of the head and down a little bit more into the body. One more. And then back into the center and extend the legs back into Upavisha and take a breath. And just feel the difference. Bring the feet in and move into Baddha Konasana. Hold on to the ankles and get long through your body, finding that spot on your sit bones again. Now here you can modify by bringing the knees up a little higher or taking the feet further away from the body. Whatever you need to do to find that spot on your sit bones to get comfortable, right? Long through the spine, open across your heart. Drop your breath into your belly. Relax your back. Now fold forward right from the hip hinge. Draw your chin in. Spine is long. And come back up. Take your legs back out for Upavisha Konasana again. Finding your sweet spot on the sit bones, feeling open across your heart. Take your right hand on your leg, bring your left arm up, reach and take it over. Nice long stretch up the left side and then come back up and go over to the other side. Reach, take it over, feel that stretch. Come back up 2 more times to each side. Reach. Come back up and reach. Come back up 1 more time to each side. Come back up and take it over. Hopefully it gets a little easier every time. And then come back to the center. All right, nice and tall. Relax your back. And fold forward right from the hip hinge. Draw your chin in. Close your eyes. Drop your breath into your belly. Feel the pose. And then come back up. Bring your legs back in. And just cross your legs comfortably, whatever that is for you. Sit up tall, find your spot on your sit bones so you can relax your back. Drop your breath into your belly and just take a few moments to be really present with how you feel. Be present with your breath. Relax. And let your shoulders relax even more. All right. I hope you feel a little bit better. Thanks for joining me. If you're enjoying this series, definitely subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of the videos. And if you want to hop on the Tired AF Yoga Series email list down below, you're going to get a lot more good stuff in your inbox. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow.